The PlayStation 5 is impressing gamers with its innovative features, but Sony is already looking ahead to the next generation of console gaming. In early 2024, Sony Senior Vice President Naomi Matsuoka hinted at the future, mentioning that the PS5 is entering the latter stage of its life cycle. This hint has sparked speculation about what the PS6 might offer and how it will shape the future of gaming. There are rumors and expectations surrounding the Sony PlayStation 6 and Sony's potential beating Xbox again. Come, have a look with us. The PlayStation 6 is still a bit of a mystery, but industry experts and leaked documents have provided some interesting insights. According to a Microsoft court document related to the Activision Blizzard acquisition, it's possible that the PS6 won't be released until at least 2027. This timeline is similar to previous console generations, which typically lasted around 7 years. The PS5 was launched in 2020, making a 2027 release for the PS6 seem reasonable. This longer time between releases allows game developers to fully use the current hardware's capabilities while giving Sony enough time to innovate for the next generation. Before discussing PS6 rumors, it's important to understand the current state of the console market. The PS5 has made big improvements since its launch, offering impressive features such as 4K/120 FPS gameplay, great controller haptics, and a nicely designed user interface. However, it also has some drawbacks, including its large size and limited storage space. On the other hand, Microsoft's Xbox Series X, while powerful and backward compatible, has struggled to match the PS5's exclusive game library and innovative controller features. This competition sets the stage for the next generation of consoles and the potential innovations we might see in the PS6. It is essential to look at the present console environment in order to appreciate the potential of the PS6. The PS5 and Xbox Series X represent the pinnacle of current-gen gaming, each with its own strengths. The PS5 has impressed users with its revolutionary DualSense controller, featuring advanced haptic feedback and adaptive triggers that provide unprecedented levels of immersion. Its blazing fast SSD has virtually eliminated loading times, and the console boasts a growing library of exclusive games. However, its size has been a point of contention for some users. On the other hand, the Xbox Series X offers powerful 4K gaming capabilities, extensive backward compatibility, and the popular Xbox Game Pass subscription service. While both consoles are neck and neck in terms of raw performance, the PS5 has gained an edge with its exclusive titles and innovative controller technology. This competitive landscape will likely influence the development of the PS6, as Sony aims to maintain its market leadership. Although we don't have many details about the PS6, there are lots of rumors and speculations. According to rumors, Sony will work with AMD again for the PS6 chipset, so it can play old games and new games. Insider Gaming says the PS6 might have a feature called PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution. This might make games look better, running at 4K with 120 frames per second, or 8K with 60 frames per second. This is a big jump from how games look now. The PS6 is also expected to have a better kind of storage called an SSD. This will make the console load games really fast. They think it will have at least 1 TB of storage, especially if it's a digital-only console. They might also connect it to cloud gaming, so it could be a mix of local and cloud gaming. The PS6 may be smaller and quieter than the PS5, with better thermal management and a more compact design. The DualSense controller is expected to have improved features such as more precise haptics, longer battery life, and potential integration of new technologies like force feedback or neural interfaces. The PS6 will likely offer backward compatibility with older PlayStation games, potentially including titles from the PS3, PS2, and original PlayStation, giving players access to a wide range of classic games. As internet connections improve worldwide, the PS6 might focus more on cloud gaming and digital distribution. This could mean a digital-only console, a better PlayStation Now service or its replacement, and smoother integration between console and cloud gaming. Virtual and augmented reality are likely to be important features. Expanding on the success of the PSVR and the upcoming PSVR 2, we might see VR capabilities built into the console, improved AR features for more immersive gaming experiences, and better motion tracking and spatial audio. Advances in AI and machine learning could lead to more realistic game worlds, NPCs, and improved accessibility options. Environmental concerns might also influence the PS6 design, with the use of more eco-friendly materials and improved energy efficiency. While it's too early to predict the exact price, Based on past generations and potential features, the PS6 could cost $500 or more. The final price will depend on manufacturing costs, market conditions, and Sony's strategy. Now, the question remains for the PlayStation 6, is Sony beating Xbox again? What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments.